What's up guys, it's Emmanuel. In this video we're gonna test the Fanttik X8 versus the Fanttik X8 Apex. Okay, let's see which one is better and which one it works better for you. Both of them are wireless air inflator. Let's test them. Okay guys, this is what it comes inside of the box. This is the Fanttik X8 air inflator, and this is the smaller version. This is what it comes inside of the box. This is the inflator. It looks amazing. The weight is a little bit heavy. It's great. You can charge it over there. Okay, it has a light, and this one is for the hose. This is the hose. Comes inside of the box. An adapter for different some bicycles, they have a different thread on the valve stem. This one is for the balls. I think this one you can inflate like those air beds. And this is the charging cable. The back, that's amazing to store it. Okay, this is what it comes inside of the box. It comes with the bag. Man, this feels very good. The quality is very good. The name is Fanttik X8 Apex. Okay, here is the pump. Oh, see, man, it's heavy and it feels strong. That's amazing, and it's wireless. That's the most amazing thing that is wireless. Let me remove this. Comes with the USB-C to USB-A to charge it. Here is the port. This one is to charge it, and this one is to charge your phone or charge other devices in here. It's amazing. You can use this one as a battery to charge your phone, your laptop, or some other things. Okay, and here is the hose. Where it goes in here, goes here, the hose, and that's it. This one is for inflate balls, and has an adapter for this one. I think so, yeah. Okay, so that's great. Okay, so now it's time to test it. Before you do anything, charge this one. Okay, charge it all the way. So it's gonna take maybe like an hour for me, but for you it's gonna be next. So let me charge this first. Let's start with the screen. Let's see how it works. Okay, let's turn this thing on. All right. It has a big screen. That's amazing. Okay, and also you can change the setting right here with this like arrows circle. You can change it to, this is manual. Can put it in car mode, and like a scooter or motorcycle, bicycle mode, and for basketball, for balls. Okay, and that's the manual mode. Okay, so we're gonna start with the car, and this one, it's the main value is bar, so I don't know how that one works, but with the circle, you hold the circle, you can change the value. Hold this one, and kPa, no, I don't know what is that, and PSI. Okay, that's amazing. I like it. So to change the value, you have to hold this button for like 3 seconds, and it will change the value. For me, I'm gonna change all of them to PSI. One more, PSI. That's the way I understand better. This one is on PSI too. The ball is on PSI. All of them, even the manual on PSI. Okay, so we're gonna test. Oh, okay. When you change it, it goes back to bar. Okay, but if you wanna change it, just hold this one and hold again, and it's on PSI. So I'm gonna leave it on this one, the manual, and I already have that one on PSI. Okay, let's start with the test, but let me show you first how to turn it on. You can turn it on here. You hold for 3 seconds. Okay. Oh, I'm still going to remove this because it's hard to see. Okay, so it's already in bicycle and it's already in PSI. That's amazing. You want to change this one to a different setting, just hold this one 3 seconds and it will change. I don't know if you can see it. Now it's in bar. Over there it's in bar. Then you hold this one for 3 seconds and it changed to KPA. I don't know what is that but I like it on PSI. Okay, and it says 45. No, I like it on 35 only. 35 PSI for my bicycle. Okay, it has more settings. You can move it to car, motorcycle, ball. Okay, so I like it on bicycle. Let's test it on a bicycle. We have to remove some air. We're gonna leave it on 0 and we're gonna see how long it will take to inflate this one to 35 psi. Okay, remember to charge this one. This one I already charged it, it's fully charged. So let's get the air out of this one. Okay, now the next test is with a basketball. Let's remove the air first. Okay, here's my opinion. Both of these are amazing. Okay, but there are different things that you need to know. Okay, this one will work for your car tires, bicycle tires, motorcycle, balls, and with this one you can charge your devices with this one over here on the second connection. It's amazing, I like it a lot, but this one is more expensive. But the great thing is this is wireless. That's amazing. And this one is the smallest option and the price is better. But this one, it works better for bicycles, motorcycles, and balls, to inflate bicycles, motorcycles, and balls. For cars, yes, you can use it for car tires, but only one tire. When it's fully charged, you can only inflate one tire. Okay. But this one, the big one, this one you can inflate almost your 4 tires with one full charge of this one. So this one is amazing. But the difference, this one is more expensive than this one. Both of them are great. This one, I recommend this one if you have a motorcycle, bikes, and you want to inflate balls, this one. You want to use for car tires and the rest, motorcycles, bicycles, and balls, this one is the best option. Okay, but depending on your budget, you can pick this one or you can pick this one. Okay, let me know what you guys think on the comments. Okay guys, these are the air inflators. These are the X8 and the X8 Apex. Both of them are amazing and they are wireless. Okay, but when you're trying to decide which one do you want to buy, the big one is the best for car tires and truck tires, because that one, it has more power. The small one, you can use it for bicycles, motorcycles, and bolts. But if you want to inflate car tires with the small one, yes, you can do it, but it will only inflate one tire with one charge. Okay, so if you want to inflate the 4 tires with the small one, you have to inflate one, then charge it, inflate one tire, and then charge it again. Okay, but with the big one, the Apex, the X8 Apex, with that one, with one charge you can inflate almost the 4 tires. If they only need a little bit of air, you can inflate 4 tires easily. But if they're at 0, the 4 tires, you can inflate 3 tires. You have to charge it, and then you can inflate the 4th tire. Okay, so the big one is better for car tires, and the small one is better for like bicycles, motorcycles, and if you wanna do tires, car tires, only one at a time with one charge. Okay, but they are amazing, both of them. Okay, if you want to get the small one, get the small one. It's amazing, works great, it's wireless, but it's a little bit slower than the big one. Okay, the big one, it works amazing, but it's a little bit more expensive. Okay, so you can decide what do you need, what works best, and what in your budget, which one works better for you. Okay, but let me know what you guys think on the comments. If you like the video, please like the video, that helps the channel a lot. Subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video.